In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WooCommerce plugin with ChatGPT. So here I have my WooCommerce store, and what I want to do is to create a plugin that adds a 10% discount when the total amount in the cart is over $100. As you can see, here there are no coupons applied, so I just wanted to do this automatically. So let's go back to ChatGPT and let's ask it for it. So please write a code for a WooCommerce store that adds a 10% discount when the total amount in the cart is over $100. Make this happen without the need of a coupon. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT does for us. And as you can see, it's now writing the code. Hopefully this is going to work fine. This is a code that we need to copy and paste in the functions.php file. Probably we could ask it to make it as a plugin, if that is what we want. In this case, we can just paste this in the functions file and it should work fine. And as you can see, it gave us the code and now it's giving us a brief explanation of what this code does. Okay, thank you ChatGPT. Let's copy the code and let's go back to the WooCommerce store. I'm going to refresh this page. So I had applied this discount for the purpose of the tutorial, and now the discount is gone. So what I'm going to do is go to the dashboard. From here I'm going to the appearance theme file editor menu, and from here I'm going to edit the functions file, and I'm just going to paste the code that ChatGPT gave us. So let's paste that and let's update the file. So now if I go to the cart and I refresh this page, we should get a 10% discount over this. And there it is. As you can see, we got a 10% discount without the need of applying a coupon. And that's pretty much it. So I could ask it for improvements to the code. I could ask it for give me this code as a plugin with different functions and different cases, but this is pretty much what I wanted to do, and it's that easy. So this is one great way you can use ChatGPT for your WooCommerce store or your WordPress website. So I hope you like this video. I truly appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I will try to answer them all. So that's it. Thanks for watching.